Don't download Basecamp Enterprise Sales and Marketing app before watching this. Before you download Basecamp Enterprise Sales and Marketing, here's the truth most teams miss. It's not just a contact manager. Enterprise Basecamp combines lead management, marketing automation, and analytics, but it requires careful planning to avoid confusion. Step 1. Define sales and marketing workflows. Base allows deal tracking, automation rules, and pipeline customization. Most teams get this wrong by implementing generic workflows that don't match their process. Step 2. Integrate data sources. Enterprise users can connect email, marketing platforms, and customer databases. The surprising truth is, without integration, reporting becomes incomplete and insights lose value. Step 3. Train your team. Base's advanced features only work if users understand dashboards, automation, and reporting. Lack of training can result in underutilization and wasted investment. Step 4. Monitor metrics and optimize. Track conversion rates, lead sources, and sales performance. Teams that actively analyze this data see faster pipeline velocity and higher revenue. The upside: properly used, Basecamp Enterprise can streamline processes, improve forecasting accuracy, and increase sales by up to 25%. So, should you download it? Yes, if your team can plan workflows, integrate systems, and monitor results consistently. For smaller teams, lighter crumbs may be more practical. Subscribe for more honest reviews to ensure your enterprise tool investments pay off.